This is All India Radio, Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma yesterday visited the injured persons who have been admitted in different hospitals across the city and said that the state government will bear all the expenses of treatments. Over a dozen people were injured in sporadic incidents of violence following the Ichamati clash, which took place on the 28th of last month. After the visit, the Chief Minister told media that the state government is leaving no stones unturned to bring back normalcy and peace in the city and other adjoining areas. He said that law and order situations are under control and for precautionary measures, various steps have been taken up. Action will be taken against those responsible for inciting violence and causing harm to human life and public property, he added. 8 companies of the Central Armed Police Force have already arrived and 2 more companies will be coming shortly, the Chief Minister said. In view of the prevailing law and order situation, Meghalaya's East Khasi Hills District Magistrate has imposed curfew at Iewduh, Mothphran, Police Bazar and Mawlong areas of the state capital Shillong from 6 a.m. today until further orders. The curfew has been imposed following a group clash at Ichamati on the Indo-Bangladesh border of the district, which claimed 3 lives so far. On the other hand, the subdivisional magistrate Sora Civil Subdivision has relaxed the curfew in the areas under Sora Police Station from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. today. It will be promulgated again from 6 p.m. until further orders. The indefinite curfew imposed on all border areas under Shala Police Station, Tilap Police Outpost and Bholaganj Police Checkpost has been relaxed from 10 a.m. to 12 noon until further orders. The Arunachal Pradesh Government has approved closing down of zero enrolment schools and a notification with guidelines has been issued in this regard, State Education Minister Tabatadir said. Responding to a question by BJP MLA Hnahthial during the question hour in the Assembly, Tadir informed the House that the decision was taken after the Education Department conducted a survey of the schools that are non-functional due to no enrollment of students. A total of 311 schools in the state are defunct due to zero enrollment as per 2018-19 data of the Unified District Information on School Education Plus, UDICE Plus. The Minister, in response to a supplementary question, said that the teachers of the zero enrollment schools will be posted in other educational institutions where there is a shortage of educators. Tadir said the infrastructure of the closed down schools will be handed over to the Deputy Commissioners who will decide how to utilize them. The Mizoram government has set up one more screening counter for coronavirus at Thingsai in Hnahthial district on the Indo-Myanmar border. Thingsai is the entry and exit point along the Indo-Myanmar border in Hnahthial district. The official said that screening for coronavirus began at Thingsai police check gate on Saturday. So far, the Mizoram government has set up at least 6 screening counters for coronavirus to prevent the spread of the deadly virus in the state. No case of coronavirus has been detected in the state till date, the official said. The state government has also formed a task force to monitor screening of passengers along the state borders and international borders. The opposition Congress and AIUDF staged walkout yesterday on the first day of the Assam Budget Assembly session, protesting the decision of the Speaker on reserving the ruling on an adjournment motion. The opposition parties raised adjournment motion on CAA and related issues. Speaking on behalf of the motion, AIUDF legislator Hafiz Bashir Ahmed said that the Citizenship Amendment Act is against the spirit of the Assam Accord. Leader of the opposition, Devabrata Saikia, said that the government has violated the freedom of expression by imposing Section 144 during CAA protest. Replying to the adjournment motion, Assam Industry Minister Chandramohan Patwari said that the Assam government is ready to discuss the issue, but adjournment motion is not required as the matter is sub judice. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.